Brawling, keep brawling, keep brawling. Find their healer, find their healer. Atong na-mark ko, Blight sa west. Walang defensive na to.
Nasa east mo, matay na east healer. A958.
Yeah, keep calling targets, boys.
A958.
Iba na fake air compress, ha? Fake air compress. Yeah. Keep rolling the healer. Call for targets, healer. Call for
One
target.
healer down,
Bullshit,
one healer
bullshit.
down.
Bullshit. Keep calling for target, keep calling for target. Just focus on their healer, focus on their healer. Help each other. If you see Judy, you tap on the Judy. If you see Judy, you tap on the Judy. Keep dropping Judy yan. Keep dropping Judy yan. Okay, okay. Keep dropping Judy. I'm gonna fake out compress here. Okay.
Uy, ammo, healer. Ammo.
If I have Judy middle, if you need heal, come to middle. If you need heal, come to middle. Keep finishing the targets, boys. Keep finishing the targets. Don't let them get away. Okay, good job.
Patay na color nila.
Tigil lang, keep pushing. Finish all the guys who are low. Finish the guys who are low. I'm pushing, I'm pushing.
Ubus na healer.
Running.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine.
Siya. Keep finishing, ha. They can still hit. Ano, okay ka lang ba dyan, boss? Ano? Okay.
Running na.
You can catch, you can catch.
Tinamaan
You can catch.
ko sa mukha. Nice,
Okay. Catch this guy. So, I'm gonna start marking them again,
Meron
okay?
din sa south.
Okay,
Nag-ano
now
na,
spread. Keep finding their healer again. We're gonna do the same shit. Finding their healer, keep finding the healer. If you need heal, go middle. Good shit. Oh, keep rolling, boys. You're doing good.
Healer, meline, gilid.
Rolling. All out for targets, brawler. Use your mind.
Meline, healer.
Mamatay na yun, oh.
Finishing the target, 100 out.
Dead ammo. One healer down.
Meline,
Okay, keep rolling.
Ready. Perma, dropping perma.
Keep
Meron
rolling.
ko.
Patay yung blight.
Meline, is gonna die.
Rolling.
2 healers down.
I have Judy middle. If you need heal, come to Judy middle. That